Hey y'all, let's talk what's going to really happen come zombie great apocalypse time, because we've all been waiting for it. I mean, we've been waiting on zombies since 1973. So this is what's going to happen. When the zombies are around and you're in your first time to engage a zombie, you're going to pull out your standard little Glock 9mm and you're going to throw that sucker at him, right? Because that's about what it's good for. 9mm zombies, not happening. So that's when you got to pull out the big boy 45 ACP, right? You lock and load that sucker and you go to town on some zombies. Sometimes you gotta blow the head off. That's why you need a 45, baby. See y'all.